Hi everyone, my name is Robin Speziale, and I'm the national best-selling author of Market Masters. Today, I'll be sharing with you my book, Market Masters, why I wrote it, how well it's been selling, and why I think you should read my book. So, it was back in 2014, and the markets were just rolling over because of the collapse in the price of crude oil. And it wasn't just the Canadian stock market that was collapsing, it was all the markets in North America, just around the world, combined with the fact that there was a lot of political and economic instability in China and Greece around the same time. And I just thought, we really need a good investment book at this time, especially in Canada, where it's hard to come by a good book written by a Canadian for Canadians who are do-it-yourself investors in the stock market. But I think more importantly is there was a book written by a fellow named Jack Schwager, an American, called Market Wizards. Market Wizards chronicled top traders in America and some outside. And it was a wildly successful book. I remember getting Market Wizards out from the library, really big, thick book, just like mine. Market Masters is 600 pages. But I just consumed Market Wizards in about a day or two. And I read his sequel, which was New Market Wizards. Then I believe there's Hedge Fund Market Wizards. Before that, Stock Market Wizards. And it's just a great collection of books. And what Jack Schwager did in the Market Wizards series is he elicited the frameworks, the thought processes, the psychology from these top traders. For example, Jim Rogers. It wasn't just the stocks, or in Jim Rogers' case, the commodities in which he was purchasing, but how and why he was purchasing commodities when he did. And you're getting into the heads of these top traders. And I wanted to create something similar for Canada, for Canadian investors. So I contacted 28 top Canadian investors, and I met with them in their offices, and I found out how they invest in stocks. And this book, my book Market Masters, was released in 2016. It became a national bestseller, so Globe and Mail and Toronto Star national bestseller within about only 2 months. And this was on a bootstrap marketing budget. A lot of do-it-yourself investors just took hold of this book. They went out to the library, they went out to Indigo, they went to Amazon and just bought out this book. Some readers even said that, so good that they recommended Market Masters to their friends. When Christmas rolled around a couple of months later, they bought copies of Market Masters for their friends and family. And I wrote Market Masters in such a way that you have these investing strategies of 28 investors over 5 different spectrums in the market, 5 different styles, let's call it, of investing. So you have value investing, you have growth investing, you have macro investing, fundamental investing, and then every other type of investing, like dividend, activist investing. But not only that is, you have the question and answers with these top investors, and I asked them tough questions to get the good answers from them, the real answers, so that you can apply these strategies to the stock market, and you can gain an edge in the market by using some of these investing strategies. But I also, for the beginner investor, at the beginning of each chapter on an investor, let's say Francis Chu, at the beginning I have a pre-lessons section. For example, if in an interview with Francis Chu, he brought up a value stock, I explain what a value stock is in those first couple of pages. As well, I have an expansive glossary in the back of Market Masters. I have a 50-page conclusion, which wraps up all the different investing strategies of all the investors, which can really serve as like a mini book within a book. And you can have my book Market Masters for under $20 on Amazon.com.ca. You can walk in any Indigo, Kohl's, or Chapters. You can have Market Masters for under $10 if you buy the ebook. If you get it for Kindle, for Kobo, if you go to iTunes or iBooks, like under $10 for a book that can give you just huge ROI, return on investment. It can really help you gain an edge in the market. It can introduce you to investing strategies, terms, and some top investors who you can follow even after reading my book. So thanks for listening, everyone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Visit my blog on robinspeziale.com. And of course, buy my book. I encourage you to buy my book, Market Masters. Once you get into reading it, email me, contact me, tell me what you think, give me feedback. My email you can find on my blog, and all links are in the description to this video. Happy investing, everyone.